Hello everyone, Namaskar and welcome to the evening session. संध्याकालीन सत्र में सबका स्वागत है. I'm Mohit Jain, your host, your dost and your ghost, and obviously in the ghost mode with the breaking news that yes, Wipro Elite NTH 2021 registration links are on. रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक आ चुकी हैं उनके वेबसाइट पर. वहाँ जाकर किस तरीके से हमें रजिस्टर करना है, what are the exam dates, what is the exam pattern, how we are supposed to prepare, and the entire detail regarding registration would be the focus of this evening. Entire process, registration करने का पूरा process, पूरी विधि, क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, do's and don'ts, everything we would be discussing today. But before that, आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप सबसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब now so that we can stay connected. And on this hope कि आप सबने सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, आप सब हमारे संग जुड़े हुए हैं जुड़े हुए है ना. So let's begin. Let's see what is happening on the Wipro site and पूरा process मैं आपको बताऊंगा. I have done the registration myself with my own name. The entire process I'll show and the difficulties which I have faced at different places. जो आपने नहीं करनी है वो भी हम discuss करेंगे. So let's see what's there on the Wipro's site. So when I log in at career.wipro.com, this is what we can see, that Elite NTH 2021's interface is on now. Elite National Talent Hunt 2021 is a freshers hiring initiative to attract the best of 2021 engineering talent across the country, that is India. The objective of this initiative is to enable an equal opportunity for employment to the most deserving talent from computer science. Please focus on this: computer science, information technology, and circuital engineering streams in India only. A candidate should not miss this opportunity. Registration for Elite NTS 2021 will open on 10th December, that is today. It's already open. Online assessment will be tentatively held between 18th January 2021 to 23rd January 2021. There are very important, बहुत ही रोचक जानकारी है about the assessment related thing. We will see it in some time. Let's move on to the eligibility criteria. 10th standard, 12th standard, graduation. In 10 and 12, you should have 60% and above marks. In graduation, 65% or CGPA equivalent to 65% or above as applicable by the university guideline. Year of passing should be 2021. Qualification BE, BTech or 5 years integrated MTech examination. Branch of study should be CS, IT or circuital. Designation is project engineer. Compensation 3.5 lakhs. They will have an internship of 12 months, something around that. Maximum of 3 years of education gap is allowed between 10th and graduation. Should be a full-time degree course recognized by the university. All arrears and backlogs need to be cleared at the time of selection process. Candidate who have participated in any selection process held by BIFRO in the last 6 months, please do not apply again. You should be an Indian citizen or should not hold a PIO or OCI card in the event of holding a passport of any other country. Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. Now, moving up to the selection process, we have done an entire video on this, and we can see that again the updated selection process is also the same thing what they did at 2020 Wipro NTH pattern. The pattern remains same. वही पैटर्न है, पैटर्न में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं है. पहले आपको देना लिखना पड़ेगा ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट, that is for 128 minutes. It comprises of 3 sections. Aptitude test, that will be for 48 minutes. Written communication test, that is an essay written in English, that is for 20 minutes. And online programming, 2 programs for coding, duration would be 60 minutes. and you can choose any of the programming language for coding tests like Java, C, C++, or Python. As far as the detail of the aptitude test is concerned, it would be for 48 minutes, LR, cons, and verbal. Logical reasoning would be 14 questions. You need to do it in 14 minutes. Cons, 16 questions to be done in 16 minutes, and verbal, 22 questions to be done in 18 minutes, and all sections would be timed. In those 14 minutes, you need to do those 14 questions itself. As far as the previous year pattern was concerned, and we hope that they would be still following the same pattern, there are 3 pointers that need to be kept in mind. There were no negative marks. You can't move forward unless and until you have submitted that question, and you also can't move backward. So whenever you have a question, you need to submit an answer. Whether it is correct or not, it hardly matters because there are no negative marks. You cannot move forward. You cannot move to the previous section, or intra-section movement should also be not allowed. And that was the pattern they have followed in previous year. So we are hoping that there should be some changes on this, but till now no news. So it would be like 52 questions, 48 minutes aptitude test. Again, an important thing about aptitude test, बने रहिए हमारे साथ. Now, the last day to apply is 5th January 2021, and as we have said that tentatively online assessment will be between 18th January to 23rd January. If you have any question or concern, please contact manager.campus@wipro.com with the subject Elite NTH 2021, and they will try to respond you back in 3 working days. So let's apply now, and I'm clicking on this apply button, and let's see where we reach. So we are on at a new page where the entire information about the job description, eligibility criterion, everything is there. And there is an apply button where we need to click and start applying. Let's apply. Okay, enter your email ID where you want your information to be delivered to you, and then a new page will come up where we need to fill each detail one by one. First is candidate profile, where you need to upload your CV, whose maximum size is 5 MB. All red star asterisk symbol means these are compulsory. You can upload it from My Computer or Google Drive or Dropbox or OneDrive. Keep it handy. At that time, don't start searching out for where is your CV, where is your resume. Get it done, keep it handy, and you know how to prepare a page resume, isn't it? Next would be to upload your photo with white background if possible in your college uniform. That would be more preferable. पीछे ध्यान रखिएगा कि सफ़ेद background हो. Now create a login. Login generally would be your email ID. Put up the password. When you are creating a password, message आया that one of the letters in the password should be uppercase. ध्यान रखना है. Enter your information, your solution, first name, middle name, last name, email ID already been captured. Give your primary phone number, secondary phone number. 2 phone numbers are must, both have that red dot. Then address, must provide both permanent and temporary address, city, country, state, everything. Then would be your date of birth. Put in the date of birth which is actually there on your registered government ID cards. Okay, make sure you are doing that. Identity card, what kind of identity card you would be carrying with you, that identity number should be there, whether it is PAN card, Aadhaar card or passport. Feed in the identity card, that should be handy. Education, class 10, name of the school, class 10, year of passing, class 10th registration number which is there on your registration certificate, class 10 registration state, class 10 CGPA or percentage. First you need to select whether you would be giving them the marks in CGPA or percentage, and then write your CGPA or percentage in 2 decimal places. If there are no decimal places, write .00. Similarly, class 12th name of school, class 12th year of passing or diploma if you have not clear class 12, class 12 or diploma registration number, class 12 registration state, class 12 CGPA or percentage what you want to fill in, and then you enter the exact CGPA or percentage in 2 decimal places. Percentages should be in 2 decimal places. Now time zone, you need to select Indian Standard Time. Make sure you need to select Indian Standard Time IST. So please write in the whole thing in the drop down box Indian Standard Time, and you would be getting it straight away. You don't need to search it out. It should be Indian Standard Time. Type in the entire Indian Standard Time and you will get it. India Standard Time. Submit profile and let's see what comes next. Okay, now we have been transferred to Event Elite National Talent Hunt for fiscal year 2021. Candidate questions. Consent for processing of data for other job opportunity. They will ask you for the consent that whether you want them to process your data which you are submitting for other job opportunities at Wipro or not. It's all up to you whether you want to give them that authority. Just give them the authority that if any other type of jobs comes in, not this one, Elite NTH, then they might be approaching you. So I thereby consent to the processing of my data for the application and hiring process as per the above notice for these new job opportunities as well. And let's submit it. Once submitted, everything related to the diversities comes in front of us. एक नया पेज आपके सामने आएगा where we need to discuss about our gender and race if you opt for. It's involuntary information. You may opt out also. Like in case of race, you may opt out also if you don't want to mention. In gender, you may also opt out, but I'll prefer to opt in for it. Next frame would be job specific question. Do you have any active backlog or arrears? Do you have more than 3 years of gap in education between 10th standard and graduation? Give honest answers and let's submit it. Now we are on job specific forms where we need to fill in the graduation details. You may save here and written letter, but keep everything handy. Since everything is handy with you, you won't be facing any problem filling up this. If you have done PG, please provide the information in the PG box. Next, when submitted, let's see where it take it to. And congratulations, you can see my name there, Event Elite National Talent Hunt, requisition ID generated. Your application was submitted successfully. Thank you for applying. You are currently submitted to this particular job. Congratulations, you have enrolled. Now we'll come back again and see what is there on our dashboard. But before moving up to that, a short break from my end, and in this break I'll talk about why it is necessary for us to write an psychometric test. सीधी सिंपल सी बात एकदम हिंदी में बताना चाहता हूँ. जॉब पे जाने से पहले या जॉब लगने के बाद आपके ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में किसी भी कंपनी में, whatsoever the company be, you need to write an EQ test or PT test, personality trait test, or as we say, an IQ and psychometric test. That is just to know about your behavior, how you will behave in group, how you will behave when you are alone, whether you are sufficient enough to work in that particular organization or not. और इन्हीं सब के ऊपर हमने ऑलरेडी लॉन्च किए हुए हैं कोई कुछ टेस्ट जो आप लोगों ने लिखे भी होंगे, देखे भी होंगे, स्कोर भी किए होंगे और इन्जॉय भी किए होंगे. इफ़ यू हैवंट रिटन दोज टेस्ट, वी हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड आई थिंक 3 tests by now. Personality trait number 22 is there, 17 is there, and number 3 attitude is there. Next Monday we'll come up with again one of the tests, that is most probably number 4, social intelligence. Every week we are trying to come up with 1 or 2 tests, and by the time you would be writing your test or you would be invited for HR interview in the Wipro, I promise to upload all the 22 tests. But you people need to promise me that you will also practice those tests, write those tests. Those are free online. You go and check that how much costly it is to take up an entire psychometric test. You won't be getting it in below maybe like at least $30-40. So if it's free, take it, because at the end of the day you also know that fun is free but not lunch. Here you are getting this. Please use it, write the test, post in your score, listen to the analysis, and do ask us if you have any doubt. So let's get back to our dash. Okay, I'm logging back on, and when I'm logging it again with the email ID which I have generated, let's see where we reach up to. Welcome to your dashboard. My name is there. I-forms to complete, boarding pass form, background verification, onboarding embark, and past job submittals is there. On boarding pass form, let's see what we have. Okay, let's see first background verification. Hey, as the next step is your journey towards becoming a part of the Wipro family, we would like to get to know you better. For this purpose, please proceed to the I-Verify portal and complete your profile information, including education, employment, address, and personal details. The information you provide here will be used for the initial background verification process. Okay, fill more profile details. I would prefer to go back. Let's see, boarding pass form, resume number, name, date of birth, email ID, college name, event ID, event name, event venue, virtual remote hiring, assessment dates will be confirmed over mail later. Event date is given as 13th of January. Reporting time is 8 a.m. Maybe they would be calling up for the briefing. Identity check, identity number, everything is there. You will be required to carry below mandatory documents to attend the online assessment. Printout of this email boarding pass, original Aadhaar card. In case you do not have Aadhaar card, please carry original government ID proof, college ID card also. Now the important part which I was harping on. Hard copy of the boarding pass will be verified by Wipro authorized personnel during the test. The authorized boarding pass will be verified at every stage. Candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 6 months for engineering and last 3 months for non-engineering are non-eligible. At any stage, whether during an interview process or upon joining up of the company, It is brought to our notice that you have indulged in any malpractices or used illegal means to carry out online assessment. The company shall withdraw or revoke the offer with immediate effect. You are allowed to take the test at the designated locations only from the systems assigned to you for the online assessments. You are not allowed to use any gadgets like mobile and tablets etc. to take the assessment. If you are found using of these gadgets, the test will be disqualified. You need to go and report at the designated virtual remote hiring places, and you need to write your test. I don't think you would be able to take this test from your home. Save and return letter. Let's see when I'm back on the dashboard. Yes, I'm back to the dashboard. And onboarding embark. An email is sent with instructions. Congrats, you are now one step towards becoming a part of Wipro family. We would like to ensure that you have a smooth onboarding experiences. Hence, at the next step, please proceed to embark on our very own onboarding portal. Please click on the portal and see what next you need to do. But very vital points which we have concluded over the entire session. I would be putting up one by one. Please make a note of that, and that would be helpful to you. Thank you everyone for participating. This was Mohit Jain from MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. Hopefully ये सेशन आपके काम का रहा होगा. हमने बात करी हाउ टू रजिस्टर्ड एट विप्रो साइट फॉर द अपकमिंग Elite National Talent Hunt 2021. I will be coming up with different videos on aptitude test, basically on logical reasoning and quantitative. बने रहिए हमारे साथ, जुड़े रहिएगा हमारे साथ में. एंड अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है अभी तक तो भाई एक लाइक, एक कमेंट, एक शेयर और एक सब्सक्राइब करना तो बनता है ना? यस, बनता है. तो करिए सब्सक्राइब, एक लाइक, एक कमेंट, एक शेयर और एक सब्सक्राइब, और जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ में. हम मिलेंगे फिर से आपके साथ. I'll see you soon. You know that I'll see you soon, very soon. Thank you.